Hey, you guys remember me? It's your girl Joy Lynette, and I'm finally back with my first video of 2021. So, for those of you who I haven't spoken to yet, Happy New Year. Your girl hasn't put out a video in probably about a good month. So to answer your question, where have I been? I've been living and I've been chilling. But before I get into that, please be sure to give me a thumbs up at the end of this video if you like it. But before you do that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and then tap the bell for notifications. And of course, follow me on Instagram at pure.joylifestyle. And be sure to share it with your family members and friends, because in 2021, I'm trying to get to 100 subscribers and more, and then 1,000 followers or more on my IG page. So 100 on YouTube and 1,000 on Instagram. Share, post my stuff, help me make it happen. Thank you. So, where have I been? I've been home, just quarantining and living my best life. I've been avidly reading, catching up on books. I've been watching all the TV shows, okay? I saw Bridgerton, by the way, everybody. Binge watched that. I've been listening to podcasts. I've been catching up on listening to music and albums. I've been writing. I've been praying. I've been in the Word. I've been watching sermons. I've been spending time with my dog, spending time with my boyfriend, catching up with friends, being there for my family. So I really have just been so vested in doing things for myself and for my loved ones that, filming kind of took, the back burner. And not to say that I don't love filming. I love you guys, but I just needed to take some time for myself just to do the things that I wanted to do, because filming, editing, and promoting and creating, that's a heavy load to carry. Also, not to mention, after my break, work happened, and then of course, got to be a boss lady in there too. So I just got caught up in all the hustle and the bustle of everything going on. But also, I was simply enjoying the calm and the peace of not content creating. But I've been rejuvenated and I'm back and I am ready to get into it. So I'm starting you guys off light, just a little light sauce, which y'all can handle. And I'm going to start you guys off with a vlog. This is a vlog over one of my weekends, so you guys can just get some insight into the things that I've been doing. And I hope that you guys like it. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and come on, vlog with me. Before I get into the vlog for today, I'm just going to show you guys quickly what I have on for those of you who are interested. On my lip, I have Peachy Keen, which is a color from Mented Cosmetics. On my lip, I have the KKW Beauty Lip Liner in Deep Nude 3. It has been sold out for months, so if you guys see it on Ulta.com or on the KK Beauty site, let your girl know. And then on my face, I have a bronzer and blush duo. Just got paid from the Lip Bar. And if you guys know, I am a Lip Bar affiliate, so if you use my link in the description down below or the code PureJoy10, you guys will save some coins. So go ahead and support me. I do get a kickback. So if you purchase anything from the Lip Bar, you are helping me out, which I really, really appreciate. My shirt, I got this from Amazon. It ties in the front. It's a size medium. It's supposed to be a loose fit, and that's okay. I like it that way. And then these lashes, these are Kiss. I'm not exactly sure what the name is, what exact lash it is, but they are from Kiss. And the earrings, I just got these at the hair store. But I don't have any foundation today. I am wearing concealer. It's the e.l.f. the 16-hour camo concealer. I don't remember the color, but I just started using it. I use it for the second time and I'm in love. It really truthfully conceals everything. It covers things up. It dries down quickly. It leaves a nice matte finish, and it's only $6. I've been sleep. Now I've had on a mask today. I've had on my glasses, so it's kind of wearing away a little bit. Well, not wearing away, but it's rubbing away. But I am in love with that concealer. Why y'all ain't put me on sooner? Why? But again, I just have on the bronzer and the blush, the lip, and then the liner and my lashes. Something short and sweet. All right, guys, but let's go ahead and get into the vlog. Hey, good people. Oh, I left my microphone in my purse, but I'll be all right. You guys can hear me. It's Joy Lene here. It is Saturday. It is 64 degrees and sunny and lovely out here in the beautiful state of Florida. I'm going to the mall, and what I like to think is the first time in a year, if not a year, probably about 10 months, here with the bestie. And we are heading to Victoria's Secret to get her mom a birthday present. And their fragrances are also on sale, so I'm going to check that out. And you guys get to come with us for the day. Let's go. Alright, I think we just unfold it. Come on with the packaging. Oh, yeah, got me a little duster bag. We fancy in these streets. So I got me a Pouchette, and this is in the color light gray. And I love it. That's a lot of space in there. And it comes with a strap too. And I love it because you can just snap it closed. I can't do it with one hand, can I? There we go. Whew. But let's have a quick minute though to look at this lining on the inside. Lavoute. And this is some really nice material. It's all vegan leather, and it's vegan leather on the inside. I like. Very, very well done, Miss Adrian. Very well done. Let me know if you guys would like a full video on this bag. Hey everyone, Joy Lene. So me and my boyfriend are about to go away for the night. Just a quick overnight stay. We'll be back later on tomorrow. But we just want to get away from the house. We both are working from home. We've been working from home for almost a year, and we just need a break, a getaway. School's gonna start back up for me on Tuesday, so I'm just like, you know what, let's just get away. So I'm going to vlog a little bit, not too much because I still want to enjoy myself, but I'm going to vlog a little bit about our trip. So stay tuned. So we just got back from our little staycation, our little weekend getaway. And the first thing that I have to do when I get back is unpack. I'm going to do some laundry. I'm going to sanitize everything because COVID, even though, you know, we took preventative measures and we were safe, while we were there, we made sure we wore our mask, and you had to wear your mask inside the hotel and any place you went to. We stayed outdoors most times. I disinfected, you know, handles and the bathroom sink area and all that kind of stuff like that. Even though they, you know, they clean it, can't be too safe. I even brought my own pillowcase and everything. But just me in general, whenever I travel, I always like to clean out my bag when I come home. My Vera Bradley bags, I wash them on high heat, in the bag like this. I'm going to sanitize it just because hotels have bed bugs and you just never know what other lingering diseases, illnesses, and creatures might want to come home with you. So let's unpack.